Assalamu alaikum. Guys, our today's topic you will already understand or watching my thumbnail. This is engine overhauling part 2. Now I am showing you cylinder head. This is head injector, airline. This is a air starting engine. This hole is airline, rotocoil, on the top of this part it's called rotocoil, and this is the valve head, valve face, exhaust manifold, and inlet manifold. This is spring retainer, This is collet or valve lock or valve collet it's called. This is rotocoil, and this is the valve face. Another side of the head. Here we will washing injector and a suction and exhaust valve. This is push rod and another push rod position. Piston have to be removed. This is liner. Piston moving area. This piston is on the top position. There are 5 piston liner. We have to remove this piston from this liner. This is head valve, head bolt, exhaust manifold. Now we are trying to remove in inspection door to remove connecting bolt. This is connecting bolt. Connecting bolt are locked by connecting bolt locker washer. For safety measurement, connecting bolt and main bearing bolt, begin bearing bolt lock by washer. We are removing an inspection door, an inspection covering. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.